Hello and welcome to the governor elections 4 days before midterms. I already have filled out the safe states for the Republicans and the Democrats. We're going to start off with the likely Republican seats, but before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to find my final predictions, tune in on Monday or Tuesday. For likely Republican, we have Alaska. Alaska has been between likely and lean, not tilt. The state of Arizona. Arizona is probably going to go to the Republicans by 13-14%. The state of South Dakota and Oklahoma. South Dakota is probably going to go around a 5% even. Same with Oklahoma. In the state of New Hampshire, this has moved from likely to solid. For likely Democrat seats, the state of California, John Cox is doing really good there. In the state of New Mexico and Colorado, those are probably going to go to the Democrats, especially New Mexico. New Mexico was a Republican-held seat, and Democrats have been doing really good there. In Minnesota, this is going to be likely Democrat. For the state of Michigan, it's also likely Democrat. And in the state of Pennsylvania, it is also likely Democrat. Rhode Island, Democratic. For lean Republican, the state of Kansas and Georgia, the Republicans only need one more seat to take the majority. Georgia has become narrow. It's around a 2% win for the Republicans. Kansas, I see it as around a 2 to 3%. There's not a ton of data there. Some people think it could go Democrat, like it's going to definitely go Democrat, but I think this has a higher chance of going Republican as an identity. It votes Republican most of the time. For the state of Ohio, that's also in the lean category. Republicans are probably going to win it by 1% even. For lean Democrat seats, Oregon's going to be a 2% win for the Democrats, most likely. Republicans have been tightening the margin. In the state of Illinois, I see J.B. Pritzker picking this up around 3.5%. It's been a lot narrower. Tomorrow, it could be in tilt, or Sunday even in tilt. But I see this in a lean for the Democrats right now. In the state of Maine, the Democrats are probably going to pick this one up around a 2%. The Republicans had a chance in the beginning of the month. They lost their chance. They could have ran along with that the Kavanaugh effect, and it could have actually moved this into a tilt or a lean Republican. For tilt Republican, the state of Iowa has moved. It was the lean Democrat yesterday, and now it's tilt Republican today. There's a bunch of new polls that came out with the Republicans leading there, and I think they'll win it around 1/4 to 0.5%. In polls, they show that the Republicans will take it around a 1% average in the RCP rating. And the state of Florida, I still see Ron DeSantis picking this up with the early voting turnout being plus 6% higher for Republicans in the state of Florida. And Florida's toss-up for Senate race, the governor race, and some of the House seats. So this plus 6% is huge for a swing state. And the state of Wisconsin, I still see this going towards the Republicans. This is going to be very, very narrow. It's probably going to be a 0.2% win. It could go to toss-up or tilt Democrat anytime now. But right now I see it as going to the Republicans. For Connecticut and Nevada, they are both tilt. Connecticut yesterday was in the likely for the Democrats, and all of a sudden Republicans are doing a lot better there today. In the state of Nevada, this I saw was going to go to the Republicans 2 predictions ago, and it has slowly gone more and more towards the Democrats. It's probably going to be a 0.3% win, and in the state of Connecticut, I see it as a 0.8% win for the Democrats. Before we end the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to tune into my final prediction, watch it on Monday or Tuesday whenever it comes out.